This single letter sound can make the O sound. O, O, O. Okay? Usually it makes the O sound, but it can make the O sound as well, like the name of the letter is also O. So, some words with a single letter sound makes the O sound here. So the first one will be no. Nice, simple, two-letter word, no. N-O. No. N-O. No. No, I will not do that. N-O. No. Okay, simple enough. Two letters, two sounds. No digraphs, trigraphs or quadgraphs in this section of the lesson, just single letter sounds all the way through. Okay, next one is rosy. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. Your cheeks are quite rosy. They are a rosy red colour. R-O-S-E. Rosy. Okay? 4 letters, 4 sounds. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. Okay, and finally we have a quite tasty word here, which is donut. Donut. D-O-N-A-T. Donut. D-O-N-A-T. Donut. D-O-N-A-T. Donut. I like to eat a donut every now and then. Okay? Donut. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me, please, at home to practice your pronunciation and your speaking. We have the single letter O sound. O. No. N-O. No. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. And donut. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. Okay, very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.